Hey, what is going on, guys? It's iDeviceFocus here. Today is an iPhone day. I just picked up my iPhone 16 Pro Max, 512 gigs. I'm upgrading from the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's been 2 years. This iPhone is amazing, beast of a phone. The only reason, I would say the main reason why I'm upgrading to the 16 Pro Max is because of the Apple Intelligence. Being a tech YouTuber, I want to test out the Apple Intelligence, and I can't do that on the 14 Pro Max. That's why I'm upgrading to the 16 Pro Max. But I'm also looking forward to the camera control button, the new button that's added, as well as the action button, which the 14 Pro Max doesn't have. So let's go ahead and unbox this and give you guys a quick rundown. Bismillah. Oh wow, this is how it looks like. Just fresh out of the box, 16 Pro Max in black titanium. Check it out, it just feels so much different in your hands compared to the 14 Pro Max, which I've been using, as I said, which I'm really used to. But this is definitely a lot lighter on your hands. I want to go ahead and remove this right here and go ahead and turn this on. This is the action button right here, and this is the fresh camera control button right there, looking really nice. It says hello. We're gonna set it up in a minute, but besides that, again, Apple's going eco, so there's a lot less stuff. This is the only cable that you get right here, USB Type-C. I'm gonna take it out right here, and this is probably the smallest user manual and warranty paperwork that you get. And there is no longer a sticker. Apple sticker is discontinued officially, so as the Marques Brownlee says, this is an end of an era, so we no longer get those cool Apple stickers that we used to get on new iPhones each and every single year. But that is it, nothing more, nothing less. This is pretty much everything that is inside of the box. And now I'm gonna bring these two things. I bought the iPhone 16 Pro Max silicone case from Apple as well. Put on the case right here. This is how the case looks like. Pretty simple silicone case. I can just put it on just like so. And I also do have the screen protector from Ultra Glass. This is not sponsored in any way. This is just what I bought. I think this is one of the best ranking Amazon screen protectors. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description. I'll earn some small commission at no extra cost to you. But yeah, nonetheless, this is how it looks like with the case. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max and this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. How we looking? Is there a major difference on the back and on the front? I haven't set it up yet, but you guys can see that there is some difference, especially on the display, bigger display on the 16 Pro Max. And also it is slightly taller right here, as you guys can see, and slightly wider as well. Wider than 14 Pro Max, wider than 15 Pro Max. So this is definitely a little bit lengthier and a little bit wider phone, which is really, really nice. But nonetheless, this is it for the first impressions and unboxing experience. I'm also going to be reviewing it, so if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe down below and also leave me a big thumbs up. Also some other iPhones coming as well, the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, as well as the 16 Pro in that desert titanium. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.